Hello, welcome. Let's play along with some properties of the circle theorem. This question is coming from WASSCE 2024 September edition for the Ghanaian. So in the diagram, the PR is said to be the tangent of the circle at the point Q. The center of the circle is labeled as O. The angle QOS is 108. We are using this information to answer this and this. We have to find the angle OSQ, this very angle here. Then we have to find SQR. SQR, the angle formed between the chord and this tangent. So we are going to make use of these two properties. One property is that if the line OQ is a radius, then it means that the PQ as a tangent form an angle of 90 degrees with the radius. So OQP, the whole of this is 90 degrees. OQR, the whole of that, meaning this angle inclusive and this become 90 degrees. The same way, the line OS will also be a radius, making the triangle OQS an isosceles triangle. Right? If that's the case, then it means the angle here and here are going to be the same. So I'm going to have the introduction of this, or let's just say angle O here, SQ is equals to the angle OQS. Let's label that word M. So if that's the case, we can say that M plus M, that is these two areas, plus 108 degrees will give us 180 degrees. And the property is going to be the sum of the interior angles of what? A triangle. The top property is going to be the base angles of what? Isosceles triangle. So let's indicate that. Then that being done, the property adding all these three angles is also going to be sum of interior angle of a triangle. Don't forget, this will become 2m then equals to 180 minus 108. We are taking away this constant from both sides. That will be 72, right? So 2m will be equals to 72 degree. If we divide by 2, m will be equals to, I guess that will be 36 degree. What angle are we asking for? OXQ. OXQ, which we found to be M, is the same as what? 36. So that means the option here, C, is going to be the answer we are looking for, right? Then further, we have to find SQR. SQR, this very angle. Right? And that angle we are seeing here plus whatever we have here should give us 90 degrees. Is that not it? So if I have the question 39, if I am going to find the angle OQR as 90 degrees, so we can say angle OQR is equals to 90 degrees, the radius and a tangent angle. Then that angle here, which we found as 36, plus what we are looking for will be equal to this. Because of space, I'm going to go straight with the angle I am looking for, which is angle SQR should be equals to 90 degrees minus the 36 we found in this corner. That will be 36 degrees, and that will be 50 here, so we have 54 what? Degree. So the angle at this place, that is 36 plus 54, should be giving us the 90 degrees, and that will also be the option C. C for 38 and C for 39 also. Because of space, we have truncated some of the steps, and this is also section A. But section B, you need to lay down all the steps that you are using. Now, you can also think of introducing this line then the angle here is going to be formed by the same QS. Angle formed at the center is twice the one at the circumference, meaning the one at the circumference is what? The half of this, meaning 108 divided by 2 will give you 70. That will be what? No, this will be 54, right? This will be 54. The angle here, angle formed between a chord and a tangent, is equal to the angle in the opposite segment. So this very angle we just found at 54 will be equals to 108 divided by 2, which will still give you what? The 54 degree that we are having. I guess the concepts of the theorems are well exhausted for you to understand how this question can be solved. Don't forget to share with somebody to benefit from this knowledge you gain. Like, leave a comment, and subscribe.